Yeah, what's going on, y'all? Y'all already know what it is. Your boy Grubbs. Out here for the first time. I've always been saying for the longest that I sit here in front of this computer with a lot of amazing things, which we'll start getting into now. This is just one of tons and tons and tons. But this is pretty much, me giving out some of my free tricks and tips that I use to make money. I know a lot of people always wonder. I get asked a lot of questions, and here you go. This is just one of them. But it's a powerful method. If you pay attention, this right here could major for you. And I actually do all the legwork for you. You don't even have to worry about it. So as you see right here, we have a Funko Pop toy, which is sold right now. It's actually on clearance at Target. See what I'm saying? If you know how to use the Target app, if I'm correct, within 3 Targets close to my house, I can go pick up about 17 of these are in stock right now. So y'all keep that in mind. 17. Okay. Now, as you see, they're for sale for $9, right? So got 9 times 17, which would be $153, right? That I would pay if I want to pick these up. Now, why do I care to go and buy these toys? No, I do collect, but no, I don't really care too much about these toys. I'm actually about to teach y'all a very powerful way to make money from home, paycheck money from home. So if you see what I just said, you got the $153 that you can go and purchase all 17 of these for from the local area. Now, once you purchase them, all you do is create an eBay account. An eBay account is free. As you see, they are selling all higher than what you paid from Target. Now, most people want to say, how the fuck did you find this? I found this because, of course, I seen some videos on Instagram. And no, I don't just sign up and send them and comment to get the list. I prefer to do my own thing. And I'm going to show you why. Everybody is familiar with ChatGPT. Now, I know a lot of you guys use it to make y'all party flyers and all types of other weird stuff, or whatever you do with it. For me, I actually use ChatGPT to make tons of bread. And I'm gonna show you how one of those ways. Now, what I do is I create custom GPTs for purposes and stuff that I like to do. So with this you see right here on the screen now, yes, it is Chat GPT, but this is a custom GPT which I create, which scouts these deals and these products. As you see, it says clear as day. You can go and purchase it. Estimated price locally, $8.99. I just showed you that. And you can resell, they say, at 22. We just seen them higher, bringing you an ROI of 122%. So let's just do their 22. I mean 22.99. Rounded up to $23. So we got $23 times 17 equals $391. Just saying, man. Just saying. It's just that simple. And y'all don't have to do any legwork to find these products. As you see, they get sent to me daily. And all I do is use the custom GPT that I created called FBA Scout. You see it, FBA Flip Scout. Go to the Chat GPT market, search FBA Flip Scout, and you can get these products yourself free of charge. I don't make a dime, but you will. On top of that, it's coded to any city that you live in, and pretty much anybody can use it around the United States. I'm not going to say the world, but at least around the United States. But thank you. I mean, you're welcome, guys. Definitely try it out because I did, and it works pretty well. Certain things I will let you know that, as far as like I said with the products, the reason why I showed you the product on eBay is because once you sell widely sold products, Amazon is going to ask you for something called a purchase order, which the same thing that Walmart has when they get them, and Target has when they get them. Now, if you are actual LLC and you can actually buy them from a authorized seller and you have a real purchase order, now you can list them on Amazon, Walmart, and other entities. But eBay does not have uh limit, or because you can sell your own. See what I'm saying? So they don't really ask about a purchase order. Not unless you got tons and tons, because people say they don't. But I have seen times where eBay you put like 60 of the same product and it asks you for a purchase order. So be wary with that. But I hope you guys actually watch this video, listen, and go make y'all some money because you can make about 700-800 bucks a day. And it's no, all you got to do is go to the store, buy the product, post it to your eBay. You can click it, buy it now, however you want to do it. Within 4 or 5 days, they'll all be sold. And you can continue to go get products every single day to continue to do this. So by the end of the week, you can probably maybe about $4,000 or $5,000 if you get it right. And this does work.